When someone sings, they make noise because their vocal cords vibrate. A person's volume would correlate with the amplitude of a sound wave. If someone were to sing loud, they would create a sound wave with a large amplitude. The higher or lower the notes somebody can sing goes hand in hand with frequency. The voice frequency band can range from 300 Hz to 3000 Hz. When making sound from our pipes, you have to know the frequency and the wavelength. Our longest pipe has a wavelength of 53 inches, which is double the length of the pipe itself. This creates a low pitch compared to our smaller pipes, because the air has to vibrate a greater distance in order to make noise. Our smallest pipe, which is 13 inches, has a high pitch because its wavelength is only 26 inches and the air doesn't have to vibrate such a distance.
The reason our pipes glow in the dark is because of the phosphors that are in the paint we used. The phosphors need to charge in a high energy light, and then they will glow when it is dark. When a high energy light is shown on the phosphors, the electrons in the phosphors move farther away from the nucleus. When the light is turned off, the electrons will slowly fall back into place, which is what makes that glow.
A black light looks dark purple, but most of the light it emits is in the ultraviolet range of the spectrum, which is invisible to the human eye. Under a UV light, white clothes or our paint on the pipes glow in the dark, and many fluorescent colored items emit a bright glow. This is because of the phosphors in the clothing and the paint we used on the pipes.
LED lights are very powerful lights. They emit all the colors of light, which allow them to be very powerful. There are two diodes in the LED, commonly referred to as the P side and the N side. The current flows from the P side to the N side. The wavelength or color of the light depends on the distance between the N side and the P side. Our LEDs are red and blue colored. The LED produces a red color would have a longer wavelength or wider bandwidth compared to the blue LED.